I am from the US. I'm doing the Human Rights program here at the Excellence Center. It's been absolutely wonderful. I have been going to refugee camps, talking with human rights activists, and learning a lot about the current situation going on here in Palestine.
I was in the medical volunteering program at the Palestine Excellence Center for engaging with Palestine. I got to basically do an orientation of the Palestinian healthcare system, as well as do many visits to different healthcare facilities and also the refugee camps.
I was here for the human rights internship. I was here for about a month. I went on a bunch of site visits. We saw sites such as refugee camps, we saw specialized schools, we saw different clinics. I was able to talk to members of the community about challenges and triumphs that they have had, places in which they needed aid, and overall the experience was very, very rewarding, and I'm very glad I did it.
And it's been a great experience. You know, I wanted to get into the human rights career, and this was a perfect way to get my foot in the door, and I've had a lot of firsthand experience. The center goes out of their way to make sure you're comfortable, they give you housing, you're always safe, and you learn so much every single day.
For starters, I feel like Hebron itself, when there is no occupation presence, is one of the safest cities I've ever been in, and this is speaking as an American. It's also speaking as a solo female traveler. I've never really felt unsafe here.
I would say there are two best things about Palestine. First and foremost is the food. I love food, and the food here is just absolutely spectacular. And the people. The people are some of the kindest people I've ever met in my entire life. So for anybody, you know, in the international community who's ever considered coming to Palestine, I encourage you to do so. I've traveled quite a bit in my life, and I firmly believe that you really get to know a culture and a group of people when you see it firsthand. And this is definitely something you want to experience firsthand.